All right, so today we're finally gonna be working on this little guy. She's got about, I think, yeah, 1,350 miles on it. And I've loved it so far. It's been awesome. It's a good bike, handles great, super fun on the street. But you know, we need a little bit more. So today we're gonna be doing some stuff. I should have washed it before. It's kind of, I think we're gonna move it over to the bay. We're gonna get that out of here and then use that whole bay over there to work on her today. We've got a lot to do. So we're gonna back this out. Hopefully it starts. It's been sitting for a little bit, little project. Hopefully be working on this in the future. But we'll get this thing moved out of the way and give us some more room in here. We're kind of cramped, we got a lot of stuff. Let that run for a minute. There we go, way over. Look at all that. Still a lot of junk. All right, real quick, I'm gonna show you what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. The baffle is out. Couldn't wait, so I kind of gave it a little bit of tone. And it's got a JD jetting tuner on it. It's nothing crazy fancy, but it's got a little bit. It's okay. All right, we'll kind of start tearing it in. Definitely can't have a bike unless it's got one of these on. So we're gonna throw that on today. This is gonna be awesome. It's gonna sound awesome. We have the San Diego Powerhouse Thermostat Delete Kit. That'll get rid of the upper or the lower thermostat on your engine here. Frees up a bunch of space, kind of routes it better, keeps your engine cooler, gets rid of a bunch of other miscellaneous parts to lighten up the bike, make it run better, cleaner, the way it was supposed to from the factory. Oil, you do an oil change, and then some exhaust gaskets. I got a couple other parts coming. Hopefully they'll be here tomorrow that are going on to kind of change the way the bike runs. I got a couple sprockets coming, change the gearing up. It's pretty close, especially for the way I ride and where I ride. Definitely tires are on the list as well. I know my rear's getting pretty bald. Did not do so well in the mud a couple weekends ago, but we'll change that up and get this thing shining bright. Need to fix that too. And we're gonna get this coolant draining. I think I'm gonna open this up right here. Trust this one a little better. Oh boy. A little battle wound there. Crack this radiator open. Just to kind of stuff that on durable. So we'll be taking this out. Right here's your other thermostat. So we'll take that out and then we'll be capping this off here. A lot of, well, some. I think there's another kit that gives you a new piece here that doesn't have this bung on there. But it is a little more expensive. The San Diego Powerhouse, you just cap it off. I mean, it's totally fine. So definitely if you're gonna do this, probably pull this one off, drain everything, take your time. If you do it like me, just start going ahead on or start pulling stuff off that makes sense. It'll save you a little bit of cleanup time in the end. All right, that was kind of a pain, but I got it started on there. It's really tight fit, but got it on there with some pliers, kind of pulled it on. Whew, that was tough. Push it on there until it hits that tab right there. And then we'll tighten this hose clamp up and we'll be done with that.
This looks like shit.
What? What are you talking about, man? We're like halfway done.
What are you putting on?
Put on exhaust and some other goodies.
Oh.
You gonna hang out with us?
Seriously, what happened to your license plate?
I was riding it.
Oh, nice.
It was in the whoops.
This is my bike right here.
With the whoops.
It was a whoops.
These are running lights too. They're kind of cool.
I'm gonna put flush mounts on mine. So like they go up, they come off like up here on mine. So if I can flush mount them.
Oh, pretty cool. So we got this air pump motor
Whatever it's called.
thing. Yeah.
It's a part.
It's apart and it's coming off, and we're gonna do something with these brackets and clean this whole up. There's a thermostat delete. Looks pretty slick. All right, we got this side taken off. Now we're gonna go after this canister here and get all that out. Kind of a tight fit.
Mm-hmm.
Really don't think I need to oil my chain though.
Really good.
No, it's fine.
Yep. That's what I'd say too. I want my chain to break.
It'd be good for an auto ride.
Gonna seize up on you going down the highway.
Well, I'll give you a call when it does.
I'll laugh at you.
Shit. I maintain my bikes, guys. So we're putting the bracket on to hold the brake line. Was it brake light sensor?
Whatever the fuck it was. Who knows?
And we got the charcoal canister out. Look at all that room in there. Look at all that room. Look at all that room. No? Power stroke, big blue one. So now we just gotta get that little feller on somewhere in there. You filming? That one? Right?
Imagine. It's too small, man.
No, it came in the kit. You just gotta get a good run on it.
I do all it's good.
That's true. There's a baffle in there. Should we take that out?
Is that the exhaust?
Yeah, there's a baffle in there.
We got like an 1.5 inch drill bit. We can just run straight down the middle of that thing.
No, we don't. Just pull out the packing. But she looks sick now. Woo! It's all on there and stuff.
It's almost as cool as this one.
The 650? I think mine's cooler. Look at that bad boy. Look at that.
You guys want some of this?
Looks, my fender looks a little cockeyed.
Nice tilted.
Good call. So I took the baffle out on that back. Now that's a pipe.
She loose.
Yeah, we're gonna put some coolant in it and fire it up though.
You need to buy a tripod for your phone. Either way, we're good.
Oh boy, she looks good. Ready?
Yeah.
Put it 6.
I can lose her.
Here we go. Okay. Fired up first start though.
For a little throttle, I can feel that. Thomas, come back here.
I'll see you, ladies.
Come back here. Stand where I was just at.
Whoa.
I can still feel that back here.
Yeah, it's still on air.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Fired
Yeah.
right up without all that speed.
Yeah. Give me a little turn. Smells rich.
Rip. Well, I can't remember which way I go for. They really like the light off your tools.
Yeah.